Hello, hi. You are listening to Arathy. Welcome to my channel. It is Patel Brothers. Hi, Patel Brothers for the rescue. I never knew the hype about Patel Brothers until I came here and visited the store. And this is the second time me visiting the store, and now I really get the hype. You actually get all the Indian stuff. If you don't know, Patel Brothers is the largest Indian supermarket chain here in the US, and according to Wikipedia, they have like over 51 stores in the US. So if you are in the US or if you're coming to US, don't worry, you have Patel Brothers. You will get all the Indian spices, Indian sweets, oil, like anything you ask, they got it. It's a very short video. I tried to make it like all YouTubey and stuff. The moment I took out the phone, somebody or the other was staring at me, and I kind of felt awkward. And yeah, I just somehow managed to get like a few clips. So the video is more about me just being awkward in the store. But I hope you still get a gist of the largest Indian supermarket here in the US, that is Patel Brothers. Enjoy.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
Honestly, the whole point of this video is me trying so hard to get like a proper YouTube shot, but no. Should title the video as me getting awkward at Patel Brothers. By the way, they also play great Bollywood songs in the background, which is also a plus point.